Today, we're unboxing our Toys R Us haul! Let's start with the book. This is my book. It's Ninja Turtle.
Yes!
Let me show you what's inside my book. This is his book. Mine! It's mine! I got 3 books. Now we're unboxing the Legos! Come on, let's unbox the Legos na. Ta-da-da-da-da! We're gonna open it now. It has 484 pieces.
Woo!
Here's the green one.
Nice!
This is the blue one.
Nice.
His favorite color.
Woo!
And this is the pink and purple one. My favorite. And this is the blue one. No! That's the black one. Oh wait. Yeah, this is the black one. These are spare pieces. And here's the manual. Now, we're gonna unbox the book! Well, pow, pow.